It's Luis with the $1,000 challenge. Then you guys know right now how we ended up the week, second week of July. So today we did a 2.5% gain. Traded Gush over the night, covered profits a little bit too early. That's the problem I had to this week. It's not a bad problem I have. Like if you have, I'm a Techbuds solution member, and if you have the LPP membership, it's not even a membership. It's just a one-time fee that you pay to get in. You would have seen that Ricky would always had talked about that today, saying that it's not a bad problem to have, basically. But that was my issue. I was covering profits too early this week, which is not bad, but not good neither. That you see the stock keep going rising and rising as um, you sold already, but like you mentioned before, it's it's not a game where what ifs and if so's. If you're thinking about that, you're just thinking about the past. You gotta think about the future and planning on improving that. So, anyways, here we go with the week. Closed out a little bit over 9%. So I give myself a little bit of cushion for next week. So again, my target is 2.34%, three times a week. So 7%. So I exceeded that goal by a little bit over 2%. So like I said, give myself a little cushion, and I'll go over the trades that I did this week. All right, so we started out Monday. I traded JDST, went in with about a quarter of my account. I saw the stock was rising, got in a little later with the rest of it, sold for about $20 profit. I'm not sure what the percentage was on that. Okay, I will calculate it later when I write it down. Drip was the next stock I traded on Tuesday, so I made a little bit over $100 right there. Then I went to Gush, as I saw that it's opposite trended basically. So Gush and Drip are inverse, meaning they're the opposites. If one goes up, the other one goes down. And Gush has been on a constant uptrend, and Drip has been on a constant downtrend. And this week, Drip took a little bit of it spiked up a little bit, not too much of a spike, but it went up basically. And then for closing out this week, I closed it with Gush, and Gush basically bounced off on the EMA line. If you look at Think or Swim on the 180-day chart, and then I closed it off with Tesla today. So I saw that it had a potential bounce around the 310 to 312 mark, and I saw potential going all the way up to the 319. And so I didn't go in with my full account because I wanted to average up. So that's another thing that I've learned with the LPP course is averaging up instead of averaging down. And I had my stop limit at 309. I didn't get filled, so I went ahead and sold it at 319.08. And on this one, I wasn't too disappointed because it went highs of 319, like 58, I believe. So not too far away from where I sold. And then after that, it took a dip down. I didn't buy back just because I wanted to have my full account ready for Monday. And I also, the other reason why I didn't trade anymore was because I was busy. So I didn't get the chance to buy back in as Tesla was rising up. I would have bought in around 313ish as I would see it rise up, but I was busy working, so that's the other thing I need to work on, keeping my alerts going on. But other than that, we had a solid week today. So then with today's week's trading brings the account to 74.72% up since the beginning of 2018. And yeah, this is Luis with the $1,000 challenge. I'm almost there to the $3,000 mark. Again, just staying consistent, trying to not overtrade, not break my rules, and always writing down my goals for the week, what stocks I'm looking for, what stocks I'm looking at, and if I get if I'm wrong, like I'm not gonna try to write it down. I would have to get stop lost out. I understand that that was one of my issues when I first started trading, as there a lot of people have, and with this challenge, it has kept me consistently trying to increase up my account, so I look more than the percentage wise than the dollar amount. If I'm up more than 2%, that's huge for the day for me. That's good, but obviously we try to maximize it as we can and keep our losses low. But thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you.